All right, the Imperial Palm. Okay, so the Imperial Palm is a vodka-based drink. It has a little bit of pomegranate juice and a little bubbly on top of it. So it comes in a martini glass, and we'll begin. First, you get your shaker, fill it up with some ice. Get in there. All right, so 2 ounces of vodka. Half ounce of pomegranate liqueur. Pomegranate juice. And then we give it a shake. Nice and cold. That should be enough. Get you a nice martini glass, drop it in, full color. Then we top it off with some champagne. The garnish is a cherry. This one's actually infused in bourbon, so it's been around for months. Here you go, Imperial Palm. Enjoy.